Morning all of you. As I've said in the earlier class that I will be giving you the video related to the dispersion of white light. Okay? Because due to network issue some of the important points we miss. So this video will be helpful in discussing the dispersion of white light as well as what causes the dispersion. Okay, what caused the dispersion? First of all, you have to understand that in prism, if this is the prism, consider three vertex ABC, and this is the angle of prism. When any polychromatic light, that is white light or any other light which is made up of different types of colors, so we consider this as white light. Okay, when the white light strikes on the refracting surface of the prism, okay, refracting surface of the prism, if AB is the refracting surface, if it strikes here, this is the normal line M M1. Now all of you know that when a ray of light passing from rarer to denser medium, that is glass. Okay, when a ray of light passing from rarer to denser medium, if this is the incident ray, okay, it bends towards the normal. This is the refractive incident MR, where it passes from rarer to denser medium, and this is the line, normal line L1. Same way here also, when a ray of white light passing from rarer to denser medium, now it has to bend towards the normal. But here one more phenomenon takes place. Here the white light gets splitted into seven constituent color, okay, of which the white light is made up of. From same point it will come. Okay, these are the 7 prominent colors of which the white light is made up of. Now, how will this light behave when it comes out of the second refracting surface? Okay, the second refracting surface, that is AC. Now again, when a ray of light is passing from denser to rarer medium, okay, now when this is the incident ray, then instead of following its original path, it bends away from the normal. Okay, this is angle of refraction. That is when it passes from denser to rarer medium, bends away from the normal. The same thing we will apply here. For every rays of light, you can consider a different normal line. Okay. Okay. Now instead of following its original path, it will try to bend away from the normal. So all the light which is falling will fall towards the base. See, more clearly I will show you. Okay, when you will draw the normal line there on 220 degree here, okay, then what will happen? It will bend towards the normal, and this ray of light which is passing here, when you will let it fall on a white screen, let that be screen here, white screen. When this prominent color falls on this white screen, we see a distinct 7 different colors here. Okay, and this phenomenon is called spectrum. That is when the 7 prominent colors actually falls on white screen. Now here, the splitting of white light into 7 constituent color, this is only known as dispersion. Okay, this is dispersion. What happened actually, a white light after striking one of the reflecting surface of the prism try to get into the another medium. Now each of these white light, which is made up of different colors, have different wavelength. That is, it has different speed in it. Okay, it travels through different speed. I will make you understand what is wavelength also. But before that, you have to understand that each of these colors, of which the white light is made up of, which you can see it is written on your book, VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR. 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay? Always fall toward the base of the prism. So this is how the dispersion of white light takes place. Okay? When a ray of white light passing from one of the reflecting surface of the prism, it's split into 7 prominent colors of it, and then coming out as an emergent ray. When we project it on the white screen, then this 7th color is known as spectrum. Okay? Understood, all of you? Here you can easily see that these are the colors of the rainbow also. Okay? This 7 constitution color which is formed here, that you can also see it on the rainbow. Now one thing also you can observe here, that violet color deviates the most and red color deviates the least. Okay? So this all is taking place. Now what is the cause behind this splitting of white light that we will study now. Now here we will understand what is the cause of dispersion of white light. This dispersion is because of here. Okay? Because the white light, when passes from one medium to another, the wavelength of each of these colors have different values. Now you have to understand what is wavelength. Okay, this is the important term. Now I will draw here graph of wavelength to show you okay. Can you see the difference between the graph I have drawn here, W1 and W2? Okay, you see it covers to complete one rotation, that is from point A to point B, one complete wave of crust and trough takes about 10 centimeter. And here, in order to complete one complete wave, it takes 5 centimeter. Okay? So what is actually wavelength? Wavelength is this only, the distance between one complete wave. Okay? Same way here. If it starts from here, the measurement, it will end here. Okay? So this is wavelength. That is denoted by sign lambda. Greater the speed, lesser will be the covering here. Okay? So again here in the wavelength, that is with slow speed and with greater speed. Okay, the wavelength is very close to each other. That in less time it covers more distance, and in more time it covers greater distance. So this is the concept of wavelength. That is one complete wave is formed in how many, in how much distance. That is wavelength. So this also is calculated by the speed also. If you have not understood this concept of wavelength, that is not very elaborately explained in the book. So you can understand that was the cause of dispersion of white light with the speed of light also. Each of these colors have different angle of deviation, and because of that they have different wavelength and they have different speed when passing from one medium to another. Violet has it deviates the most. It deviates the most. So its wavelength is less. Okay. Now red color deviates the least. So it has wavelength is great. Okay. Wavelength. We denote wavelength with the sign lambda. This is called lambda. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Okay. That is for the red color the wavelength is maximum, and for violet color the wavelength is least. Okay. So this same phenomenon of the means after the rain season or the shower, when there is bright sunlight is there, we see a rainbow. Now, what is the reason behind formation of rainbow? The same thing. Okay. Now, water droplet which is suspended in the atmosphere, these water droplets actually acts like a tiny prism. Okay. When a single sun rays that is made up of white light, when it strikes to this water droplets, these water droplets act like a tiny prism. Okay. And this splits the white light into its 7 color, and this color only which is split from the white light gives the formation of rainbow. Okay, gives the formation of rainbow. So we have understood that this is white light. This is actually polychromatic light which is made up of different conditioned colors. When it strikes the reflecting surface of the prism, the white light gets split into 7 prominent colors, and after that when it passes from density to rarer medium, all the rays of light, that is the color rays, bends towards the base. Here we see that red color deviates the least and violet color deviates the most. And red color has maximum wavelength and violet color has least wavelength. Okay. Hope you all have understood what is dispersion, what is the spectrum, and what causes the dispersion of white light. That is the speed, different in speed of colors. They are different wavelength. They are different angle of deviation, which is all the cause behind the formation or cause behind the dispersion of white light. Okay. Hope all of you have understood this. In the next class, if you have any question or query related to this, we will clear out in live class. This is a small video to make you understand about the dispersion of white light and what causes the dispersion of white